Hi everyone, Wilson with Premier here. This Tesla Model S just came by and was dropped off by the customer. What had happened was that this car basically had our protective film installed onto most of the car, and the customer had a little mishap when the auto parking failed. So the front bumper scraped against another car and damaged the film. So what we will be doing today is removing the film and seeing if there's any kind of damage underneath. So we will get started with that, and let's take a closer look first. As we can see, the film on the front bumper is damaged pretty bad. So what we're going to do is remove the film to see how or if the paint is protected underneath. Alright, so here's a little bit of adhesive left over. All we have to do is take a little bit of adhesive remover and remove that. Good. It looks like the film totally protected the entire area. Alright, so the film was removed, at least this area where there were damage to the film, and the paint is absolutely protected. Now this won't always be the case, it depends on the impact, but for this, we saw the before pictures of what the film looked like and how badly it was damaged. But it definitely protected the paint, and this car won't have the need to go to a body shop and stay there for a couple of weeks, have aftermarket paint that may not be the best quality. Now all this customer needs is film removed and reapplication of the film, and she's on her way. So another reason, another demonstration of how protective films, especially one like this is ClearGuard Nano that we use on here, and definitely benefit this customer quite a bit.